tutorial. In today's video, I'm excited to share this brand new Telegram update. Make sure you stay to me from the beginning of this video to the end, because at the end I'm going to show you a withdrawal proof of what I withdraw. I tested it and it's working, and the withdrawal, the USDT went to my wallet. So guys, this is the update. Gonna do so. If you click on the link on the comment section, I'll be leaving the link in the comment section. This one is very easy. You can just come back anytime you want and claim it, but it has a daily check-in. If you want, you can come in daily and check. If you don't want, you can come anytime you want. So as you can see here, this is the update. So you see this way you are showing like calendar arrow. Click on it. So you see it. If you day one, you get 100 coins. Click on claim. So I'm in day 7. You see I have 5,000. So this one like this that we are seeing here, you are going to use it to increase your mining speed. You can use it and increase it. So you see there is one thing you can still do again. If you click on this one that is mining and hold your hand, you will see the mining is running faster. As you can see here, you see if you hold your hand like this, the mining will be running faster. You see, so if you leave it, it will continue running in the normal mining level. So this way you click on claim. So if you click on claim now, all the USDT, you see it here, 967 USDT. So you see this one, hash rate is 303 GHz live. So let's click on this one, quick booster. You see it will increase. You see, you can choose something like this. So you see here, if you click, it's going to increase. Rent miner, see, you see here, 324.4 cents USDT daily profit. So you see here, you see it has increased to 603 GHz. So this is how it is. You see the mining will increase the running. So this is how it is. So to withdraw, come on this wallet. So this is where the magic is. So have you seen my withdrawal? You see withdrawal record. I withdraw 0.00 ton, 002 ton. If you can see the date, this year and this month on the February 6th is when I withdraw. So you see this USDT right now. If you click on it withdraw, then you exchange it to the ton. So you click on exchange, you see it here. You see you will receive 727 and 23 ton. The USDT is 967, so you will receive 723 ton. So click on exchange. All of it, you see it has come here. The USDT has increased, removed from there, all then the ton has increased. As you can see it here, you see this place you are seeing like this. This where you will, that's where you can add your wallet here. That's where you add your wallet, right? If you want to see your referral link, come here like this on this frame. Come to this frame here. That's where you see your referral link. Okay. So all the people you refer their earnings, you see it here. If you the earnings, the commission you'll be earning from your friends referral, you will see it here. You see it here. So make sure you register, click the link, and let's start mining together. Alright. So don't forget the registration link in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, kindly do the needful, share the video, save it and watch it later. Like, comment for more updates like this. I remain your one and only legit update. Thank you.